Guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Unontobeko Wagangubani. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so whenever I upload, you'll be the first one to know. MK Party has won Ward 14 in Rainkonyeni. This was an ANC ward. The former ward councillor defected from the ANC to the MK Party, but a big but did not stand the by-elections. Asizelana in Mpofane, better known as Moy River, ANC iwine ngo 49%, IFP yawina ngo 31%, MK yawina ngo 19%. Biggest mistake that was done by the MK Party was to put a person that the community did not want. That is why they didn't win. I wish the leadership would listen more to the community as they are the voters. Local government elections are all about service delivery. In Kandla, Ward 4, IFP won by 54%, MK 40%, ANC 6%. But if you look at the VD results, you will see the MK Party did pretty well. Most VDs in KwaZulu-Natal, EFF was not on the ballot paper. MK Party with only 8 months has now 3 ward councillors. Commanders need to work more on the ground. Listen to the communities, host like Imbizo, whereby bakwazi ukuthi bahlale phansi ne-community bazi izikhalazo zabo. MK has shown a strong performance in KwaZulu-Natal by-elections yesterday. eThekwini municipality is going to be very interesting come 2026 local government elections. What do you think of these results? Please do share your thoughts down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Don't skip the ads and turn on that notification bell. I will see you on my next one. Bye.